Hello, grade 5. Kamusta?
Okay lang po.
So, bago tayo magsimula, may inihanda ako sa inyong activity. May inihanda ako dito mula sa kailangan sa ipagpasapasali itong bulaklak na to. Tapos, nakanta kayo ng familiar ba kayo sa mga bumubuka bulaklak? Kung sino ang malituan, ang kantang ito, yun ang sasagot. May bulahan ba?
Yes, po.
Okay, kumayo kayong dalawa. Dito kayo sa harapan. Tapos tumubo. May inihanda ka lang bukas. Sino ang malituan ito, yun ang sasagot. Naiintindihan?
Yes, po.
Okay.
Ito po ay tapos pwede siyang sunflower.
I-describe mo lang siya.
Kuya.
Okay, very good. Mahusay. Siya, ikaw naman. Sino ka lamang?
Ito po is
Isang pag-iira.
Color white po siya. Tapos ang tawag niya ay sa itlog.
Okay, mahusay.
Sa tadpole and then sa
So, dahil pamilya naman kayo sa bulaklak, may papasagutan ako sa inyo. May inihanda ako itong brown. Sa putal kung saan kailangan nalaman ilagay yung larawan na inihanda ko dito sa ating inihanda akong card papel. flowering. So ano yung two majors ng group sa plants?
Flowering and flowering.
Okay, so flowering plants are those that have an obvious flower as an accessory or not. In botany, branch of science that deal with the study of plants. They are called as angiosperms. Ano nga ulit yun? Okay, angiosperms. Flowers are important for plants to bear fruits and produce seeds. However, there are also plants that use flowers for reproduction. These plants are called non-flowering. So ano ang tawag sa plants na yun? Okay, non-flowering. Plants do not only grow from seed, there is another way of growing plants. It is a growing plant. It is through a sexual reproduction. A sexual reproduction produces individuals that are genetically identical to the parent plant. It has two methods. One is natural vegetative reproduction, and the other is artificial vegetative reproduction. Non-flowering plants have a special structure that help their reproduction sexually. Nakikinig ba? So, kung may details, may papasagutan, may itatanong ako sa inyo, itaas lang mga kamay sa gusto sumagot. Ano ka ulit ang two methods ng asexual reproduction? Okay, raise your hand. If sasagot. Yes? Chuck? Okay, mahusay. Who can describe natural vegetative reproduction? Okay, mahusay para papa. How about artificial vegetative reproduction? Yung artificial vegetative reproduction ko na? Gusto mo bang sumagot? Yes. Artificial.
This type of vegetative productions produce the next generation that is generally intellectual parent.
Okay, mahusay. Palakpakan si Donna. Okay, kaya ay may papapanood ako sa inyong video. Tapos, mamaya may papasagutan ako sa inyo. Wait lang ha. Hello, grade 4. So, tapos na ba akong manood? So, mamaya may papasagutan ako sa inyo ha.
Hello, friends. To learn about flowering and non-flowering plants.
Okay, grade 5.
Ooh, looks so lovely. These are the fruits of the flower.
Base sa napanood ng grade 4, ano ang stage ng life cycle ng butterfly? Describe which stage?
Flowers in order to keep doing.
Yes, Marilyn?
The flowering plant.
Meron mo siya methods are head star,
Okay, mahusay. Wala pa sa How about mosquitoes and butterfly? Or insect? What is the difference in the life cycle of what? Raise your hand.
Your beautiful robe. This pink sunflower. The juicy mangoes, green, and the papaya. Zoom into this. These white papayas are so
Yes?
There are some of
The
the
difference
flowering
between them is caterpillar feed on leaves and beetle feed on insects the water. While butterfly lays eggs on plants and mosquito lay eggs on the ground.
Okay, mahusay. Nakakakas sila isa. How about you, April? Describe the stage of the life cycle of a frog in which stages of the cycle of the frog require water to survive.
So, meron siyang egg that
the mature gametophyte produces both male and female gametes. Then the zygote develops. It contains a complete set of DNA to form a new sperm plant.
Hello, grade 4. I'm grade 5. Okay, tapos na natin yung panahon. Tinakatuwaan nyo naman, di ba? So, may itatagal lamang ako sa inyong pinapanood. So, meron daw po tayong another way of growing plants. It is through asexual reproduction. It produces individuals that are genetically identical to parent plants. Hello, grade 4.